Hello viewers, let's learn photo editor or photo viewer of Windows 11, which is the free feature of Windows 11. So let's open the picture and you will see all the features like roll the mouse to increase or decrease the picture and click edit, and you will see different buttons responsible for functions like use this lever to create angles in your picture or click crop so you can resize your picture, squeeze it and save it in case if you wish. You can save changes to existing picture or save as copy is also available. Now let's check rotate and adjust angle. So you can turn your picture clockwise or anti-clockwise with these two buttons or click free, and now you do have different option for Instagram, vertical videos, horizontal. It's up to you. Choose one and click save or click the original to come back. This is adjustment button used for light sharpening, colors ratio like bright, exposure, contrast. Every graph or lever button you can use it to increase decrease the color intensity, or you can even blur it. Click filter and now you will see different filters used for enhancing the quality of the picture, black and white, and also you do have the lever like function to adjust the intensity of clarity of the picture. This is markup button which is used for marking on the image. You can drag different line in case if required, and this is generator eraser for removing different objects from your picture. Click it and you can increase decrease the size of the eraser in case if you use it, so you can remove different objects from your pictures. And this is my favorite. Click it and you will see blur, replace or removing picture background. So let's first click blur. You can change the intensity, and next let's check replace. You can also have the graph drag it and different color would be placed on the background, but the best one is remove background color. Click it and save a copy or save it, and now the picture background has been completely removed. So let me copy and paste it either in presentation or LibreOffice. I can create angles or I can use different background colors in case if I would like to print it for passport or XYZ. This is another easy way to change the background color quickly. Hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.